Since I'm a sifi, my son, I say, meeting the sister Sunday. Bedjam Jimmy na say no and a Thanksgiving service. Or for sing Uncle Poy Biama, but my Zoom I didn't ho join the idea. Moi say, na he him, but Pacha will join men was saying, what was I like? Oh, Zoom, TV so live. It's no, what's what? Hello, Zoom for Moonwave, Namisha. Hello. That's right. Nia Junior and TikTok star Sabina Jifa. I bet you change come on. It's Zoom for no. Montamo put you from my mama. We are best say we are dang a me sister. PMP. Sabina, Aquaba. And I dang a me you. No darling. I feed them panning Uncle Payama wow sha. Would you have a say Yamia Zibiama Sabina? I know we interview to
yeah, movie industry.
No.
I think the way I started this year, I like totally different.
Oh, okay.
Like extremely different. So my rating now from 2 to like 7.
It's in your point shoot too high.
We shoot to me high.
Oh, straight up. Yeah. Little Judith Aquaba. Yeah, Anna.
Yeah.
So Aquaba. Ah, okay. It's any more. I read to change comedy. But answer no. What say who own here what studio? Me boy be I be say one here because and on share the near man no dey TikTok near the patch out. Every videos no remember real quick near your moncho change come. Oh yeah, videos Susana. What's next year? How do you feel?
Like I get extremely excited with her.
Okay.
Because I didn't know that she could do all this.
Okay.
It's I told her you should be. I look at the videos over and over again and I'm happy.
And you know, excuse my language, mujimi was up on the sosa. We share with now crab and kutani adena. Do you sometimes go back or show a video now? I say.
Oh yeah, yes.
Really?
But
Little Judith, net to say. Okay. Idea we what started that baby. Me who you see a be account about Little Judith. What started that baby? What kai?
David.
Oh, what started that? What the account time be?
Onoka fair not on him adequate. I'll just be like, way, no coffee. So she didn't know what I was doing.
Okay.
So recently, I mean, one who said maybe account.
Yeah, TikTok. It is the so-called squad now for whom? Obi to me who know I come. I can't know TikTok who be bisa. Ish. Into my for say I was saying. So who be that say I was saying. Ish. At all so. It's our best to make catch us because me now for 4.10 minutes.
So you see, she's not like that. Very quiet. It is I say old school and I say yes only baby now she's quiet. It'll be like okay TikTok.
I know the day.
Yeah, but naturally you're very calm.
Very calm. I'm for a TikTok star Sabina Jifa and a Little Judith and I'm in your watching come. Obi are independent. So how do you suddenly switch? Now why we only be answer what kind of hosa when you church right when you church we yeah you be answer you king one answer why answer say yeah that's the first time TV interview in temperature mo dey be chene kakra this is the very first time on TV me boa just say your style be because go after teachers for never point out because what bad TV super oh it's alive it is Sabina Jenny TikTok Jenny no to say share here funny. First, one say not crazy about TikTok is so huge. This also be a good subin. So I style be kakra. It's we have future net to say. Oh, Jenny no,
From the onset, no, TikTok was, let me see how it will help.
Okay.
And then it did. So TikTok is like a pushing me to get where I really want to be. Into the journey so far is giving me what I wanted it to give me. So many enter TikTok, many movie industry.
Okay.
So hopefully it should keep pushing me to get to where I want to get to.
Or degree in journalism.
Communication.
Communication. And just say only BBI now up on a swab degree or communication studies. It will BBA. Okay. So we can say or only BBA no partner up on it so or BBA power you may be a pan. It's in no. We are getting to know Sabina real quick. And what first will Benny a yampa?
Your last one.
Or say what like pound. Say boy is a feeling now. Be answer oba.
My oba me they cover up so you mean your ketwa.
It's me say what lie. And go for feel say oba. It's me say.
Coffee be brief. We say.
So say what like kakra.
Minka says me like I don't know.
It's your betcha my ninu ketwa. Mo 3 when I first born.
Second one near Yolanda, and
so you are all girls.
The second one, she doesn't like camera. Sometimes I want to involve her too, but on per camera. So
okay.
When I mean the
na Judith. Wasre. Judith, can be which school? Focus school way. Sec Academy. Where he fa? When maybe our school, Ebusia, in Labadi. Where he fa? Ni school no where he fa?
Latabio Koshi.
Which one class saying? And how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
8 years old. Inti pesa wo share say favorite teacher o school no Bonidin na chia Madam Sisia.
A friend of Madam Rejoice.
Okay. Want to meet chia Madam Rejoice so bana say o chia o page. Eti ye beda mase. My final words to omo feel fans no more support Sabai na Jifa. Tell them something, your final words to the people.
Yes, thank you so much because I wouldn't get more comments, more likes, more shares, and I'm a Drew, baby, you do it, Madam Wasi. Thank you so much and keep supporting me. Now we have greater things ahead of us for you guys.
You're doing your mafishapa, come out, my sure, bush your former men on Bomudina Chair, mafishapa.
Adom Ahosepe, my sisters, and my fans, my friends, everybody.
Yo. Yema Martina Afisha Power South Interest to Kumasi. Martina saw my South Interest to praise before in a Bethel congregation for Afisha Apa. Near Drew Swano, MC Becca Saka cry na fino. You come back to or some names. Me no one, me baby, I short now home in a war because you am producer Mike Nima. Me need the sister sign. Your small sister, I say, Ima Macramo.